Okay, homeschool, back with another one. So, how to fix your leaking under faucet sink. Okay, so basically, we're gonna take a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're just gonna remove the valve. All right, I've already unscrewed this screw just for time. And then we just remove the valve. And what we're gonna do is just tighten this nut right here. That's causing the problem. So we're gonna have to have some leverage on the valve over here, this side, and we're gonna tighten this nut, and that should solve our problem. So we have a vice grip that we're going to utilize to hold this area so it doesn't move. And then we're just gonna tighten it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this while I'm recording. All right, this is a good spot. All right, let's try it. Let's see what we can do. All right, so basically we're gonna just tighten this. See what I do for you, YouTube. All right, here we go. A little tension on it, don't over tighten. It's kind of pointless of me putting the vice grip on there because I wasn't holding it, but that is to make sure that other things are not coming loose and you're having the appropriate amount of leverage placed in the right location, which is towards tightening that nut. And as you can see, the leak is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you got some value, give me a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.